Sa ating mga televiewers sa Sky Cable Channel 28, The Beautiful Heart Show, you have observed how we treated a special cancer patient here at Charm in GSIS Village, si Jahara. We already started with the blood transfusion. Apparently, there is no reaction. It's like 5 minutes already. So, the way I look at this will be unremarkable. I don't expect any problems, and we will just observe. She's going to start the methotrexate after dinner tonight. Okay, so by then we will already be consuming like almost more than half of this 500 cc. Kumusta, Jahara? Meron ka bang gusto ipaabot sa ating mga televiewers? Magpapasalamat. We are being seen in Davao City.
Una-una sa Diyos, kasi itinulong nila ako kung sino talaga ang taong tutulong sa akin. Pangalawa si Father Paul, si Doktor. Maraming salamat po, Doktor, sa lahat ng paraan ginawa mo para sa akin.
Okay, it is our pleasure to help you. No? We're so privileged na matulungan ka namin. So, our own way of thanking the Lord in our own limited efforts na makatulong sa kapwa. That is the trust of the Beautiful Heart Foundation. And on behalf of the foundation, we would like to thank, as you said, Father Ponpon Vasquez, the parish priest from UP, yung kanyang team, no, yung nagbigay ng dugo, especially si George, no, the ex-seminarian, napakalaking bagay yung kanyang nagawa. No? And of course, si Tata, my staff, and to our televiewers for all your prayers. At hindi ko kami napapagod na humingi ng tulong, lalo na yung mga dasal ninyo. Kami po ay taos-puso nagpapasalamat sa pagsusubaybay ninyo sa Beautiful Heart Show over the last more than 1 year na po. No? Habang tumatagal po ang show, nagiging interesting, nagiging mas kapakinabang. No? At hopefully, we are able to touch the beautiful hearts of our viewers. Na sana samahan nyo kami at tulungan nyo kami para marami pa kayong matutulungan dito sa City of Davao, the whole country, the Philippines. So once again, magandang umaga sa ating mga televiewers sa Sky Cable Channel 28, The Beautiful Heart Show. We are about to discharge today a patient who was brought to us by Father Ponpon a day ago. She is Jahara Daub. You have seen her a few days ago making a follow-up treatment with us here at our office in GSIS Village. And the reason she was brought back the other day was because she had severe weakness brought about by bleeding from the site of her tumor. At the same time, she had no appetite and severe coughing. So yesterday, she was placed on IV fluids, and we have also given her 1 bag of 500 cc fresh whole blood, and we instructed also to take food supplements, the one that was given by a friend, Brad Amado, the herb extracts, honey, and green tea, which is supposedly good antioxidants. At the same time, she is also maintaining mangosteen or MX3 as part of the supplementation. Now, Jahara, how do you feel? Kumusta na?
Okay.
Malaking pagbabago mula nung dumating ka. So, nakaubos ka ng 2 bote ng dextrose. At the same time, nabigyan ka rin ng dugo. Napapansin ko, what is triggering the coughing, the bleeding in the side? Siguro yung pressure ng pagka-cough. No? You've been coughing. So, yesterday, I started you with antibiotics, no? And check ko ngayon yung, kumusta yung iyong lemas, yung malalim. Okay. Kumusta? May improvement nung naka-antibiotic ka?
Meron po. Hindi ako inubukan.
Hindi na inubol. So natigil na yung ubo. Ngayon bibigyan kita ng inhaler, just in case na kumbaga matigas yung phlemas, mahirap ilabas, no? This is something na magbubukas ng iyong air tubes para madaling ilabas yung iyong phlemas sa loob. Kung sakali, ngayon wala kang phlemas, pero pang-reserve mo lang to. Meron siyang instruction dito, but basically, ang gagawin mo dito is i-open this, gano'n, ano, tapos tuwing magpa-puff ka, igaganyan mo, igaganon mo ng, malalagyan ng isang puff. Ito, push back, and then, higa ka muna na, in-exhale ka muna, exhale, tapos, saka ka ngayon, mag-inhale, papasok na yung gamot nito, no? I-reserve mo na ito, yung talagang medyo hirap kang umubo, hirap kang huminga, no? So, may instruction naman dito. So, you keep this as a, ngayon, hindi mo kailangan, maganda ang flow ng air. Pero there will come a time na maraming phlemas, no? Mahirapan ka huminga. So, pang-reserve lang to. Ngayon, itutuloy mo yung antibiotic. You take that 3 or 4 times a day. No? Gusto ko i-check yung blood pressure mo kasi when you came in, medyo mababa. No? Although I would expect this time na medyo tumaas na rin. Malaki na pinagbago. So we have to check your blood pressure. Tignan natin yung mata mo. Medyo pumula na, no? Malaki ng pagpula. Pero I would still advise you to continue taking your iron. No? Meron ka mga iron, di ba? Na iniinom, ferrous sulfate. Tutuloy mo pa rin yun. Anong take mo nung ferrous sulfate mo? Yung, di ba dalawa, may multivitamins, may ferrous.
Multivitamins po.
Meron ka, pero ferrous wala ka. Pag nireseta ako ng ferrous sulfate, pandagdag doon sa sa multivitamins. Kailangan mo yun para lalo pag tumaas yun. Okay, magandang BP no 131, 191. Tawag dito. Yung isang ginamit nating alternative medicine kahapon, yung ating negative ion clothing, no? So, if you can put that there, no? 24/7. No? At the same time, siguraduhin yung malilinis to, ha? Pagka nagbasa, no? Merong binili kayong gauze kasi ayaw natin ma-infect yung sugat, ha? Pwedeng linisan nyo ng betadine kung may betadine. Ito yung gauze, no? Tapos, pag malinis na, saka lalagyan ng yung cloth. Ano pa ba inyong pagkuhan? Any concerns? Ano pang? So, ang kailangan nyo lang, reseta ng ferrous sulfate. So, meron ka, wala na akong stock ng ferrous sulfate. Pero mura man lang to, no? You need iron. Tablets. 1 tablet 3 times a day, ha? And then yung vitamins get na once a day lang yun. Pag nagdugo, no? Kung sakaling mag-massive bleeding ulit, na baka manghina ka, the first thing na gagawin mo is to have IV fluids kaagad. No? Yung ginawa natin sa'yo. We're hoping na nagkaroon na ng training doon kasi yung program namin ni Father na yung sa community, matrain na sila kung paano maglagay ng IV fluids. No? Nailagay na lahat yan sa YouTube. Nakita nila kahapon yan kung paano procedure maglagay ng IV fluids. At the same time, mahaluan ng multivitamins. No? Ngayon, you have to make sure na kakain ka ng marami. No? Rich in protein, less in fat, no? Average carbohydrates, less in fats. No? Alam naman natin yung fats, yun ang paborito ng cancer cells. Ngayon, yung binigay kahapon ni Brad Amado, you take that. No? That's more than anything else, liquid yun, nakaka-liquefy ng phlegm yun at the same time. No? That's about 3 gallons siguro yun, no? O 2 gallons yung yun. So may advice ka kagabi na you can take one glass of that after meals. No? And then yung MX3 mo, continue lang natin 2 capsule 4 times a day or 5 times a day. 4 times. So yun lang, no? At the same time, we started you with methotrexate, no? Nag-start tayo kahapon. Ngayon, yung another 7.5 milligrams, kasi 2.5 per tablet yon, no? You take that, since we started Sunday, you take the other 3 next Sunday ulit. Once a day, bali once a week. No? So, meron kang iinumin sa Sunday ulit. O, yung 3 pa, no? And then, pagka, after that, saka lang kayo bibili ulit another, no? Methotrexate. 2.5 milligram tablet yun. So, ang kailangan mo lang actually is every week, bali 3 tablets, no? 7.5 once.